how to turn on or turn off Ask to add new devices to SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we go down and tap on Connected Devices. Next, in here, we then scroll down and tap on SmartThings. After that, tap on the menu button. Then we go to the top and tap on the Settings icon. Now scroll down. Then tap on Ask to add new devices. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it to turn it on. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now here, if I tap on the left-hand side panel, it says that when your phone detects a device nearby that can be added to SmartThings, a pop-up will appear that lets you quickly add the device without opening SmartThings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.